Okay, just got interrupted in the take. I was like 2 minutes into it, and Shannon walks in and goes, just Ethereum searches are at an all-time high, so make it good, bud. Ethereum is up 120% in 15 days. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I have some very important technical analysis to bring you because I am about to give you the much-requested Ethereum price prediction you guys have been looking forward to. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you why I personally believe that Ethereum is going to $2,894 in the next 45 days. By the end of this video, you're going to understand why and when Ethereum will break its all-time high and continue the rally much higher. I encourage you to continue watching this video. But without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Before we get started, I do want to mention that today is the last day of the sale on the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. If you would like to learn everything you need to know about trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, I highly encourage you to sign up with the coupon code New Year's 2021 with the link in the description box down below. Anyway, as you guys know, Ethereum is my largest holding by far and away. I've been very bullish on the project for a very long time for a variety of reasons. A few of those include the fact that Ethereum is a foundation upon which other projects such as decentralized finance and decentralized applications are built on top of. Ethereum operates as a relatively good currency as well, and what we're going to talk about in today's video is that Ethereum grabs all the attention whenever Bitcoin stops rallying even for a second. So let's jump onto the chart. Our story starts with Bitcoin because, as you can see, and as we talked about in yesterday's video, Bitcoin is rallying very far, very quickly. We actually hit $42,000 last night. In doing so, we have become exorbitantly overextended on the TD sequential, and Bitcoin is almost demanding some sort of correction or reset. Whether or not that happens depends on if this hype dies for even a second and the bears are able to start instituting selling pressure, which is a debate in its own right. But the point is, Bitcoin is doing extremely well, and at some point in the near-term future, it is going to see some kind of correction. But you have to understand, I don't think Bitcoin is going to see some form of a correction because it is over and the bull market is done and all of that. I think there's still quite a lot of bullish pressure in this market. I say that just because Bitcoin needs a little bit of time to consolidate, but all of that bullish pressure has to go somewhere. And Ethereum very well may be that place. You see, the reason we started with Bitcoin is because it actually informs my price target on Ethereum. Bitcoin's all-time high is $20,000. We just hit $42,000, up over 100% from the all-time high figure. Ethereum, on the other hand, as you can see, has not hit its all-time high figure yet. It's not even past its all-time high that it set in the beginning of 2018 on January 16th. In fact, from where we are right now, Ethereum has to rally another 15% to even reach all-time high. That all-time high figure sits at $1,447, as you can see right here. Why do I put Ethereum's price target at $2,894? Quite simply, in the same way that Bitcoin just doubled its all-time high figure in the span of 45 days, I'm very confident that the exact same thing is about to happen to Ethereum, and we're going to see Ethereum 100% higher than its former all-time high within the next 45 days. And guys, the charts back this up. As you can see, the search volume on Ethereum in Google is projected to hit an all-time high this week. The amount of interest in the search term Ethereum over on Google is indicative of an influx, a wave, a tsunami of interest in this cryptocurrency. You guys have been demanding that I talk about it, and that is just another piece of evidence for the bullishness of Ethereum. And I'm very interested in the fact that Bitcoin has gobbled up market capitalization. We've seen market dominance pass 70% recently, but Ethereum is being left by the wayside. But when you think about it, over the last 3 years, Ethereum has really seen more fundamental development than even Bitcoin has on its blockchain, through its programming, through projects being built on top of it. Ethereum has seen so much growth, but where is the exponential rally that we've seen happen on Bitcoin? It's happened a little bit on Ethereum, but I still think there's a lot of value that needs to flow into Ethereum, and that's why I put its price target close to $3,000. Notice how I didn't start this price target with technical analysis. Guys, I've been talking about this for the last couple of weeks. Technical analysis is a very powerful tool, but it does have its limitations, and there are other ways that you want to do technical analysis. I'm talking about news reading and fundamentals are two of the other big ways. We're using fundamental analysis and news to talk about Ethereum's price target here because technical analysis is not the only way to get a price target. With that said, I do want to show you some technicals on Ethereum that back up what I'm saying. First and foremost, let's look at RSI. As you can see, Ethereum's RSI right now is sitting at nearly 90 on the daily chart. We saw this happen 2 times last year, in February and then again in August. When that happened, Ethereum was at the end of an exponential rally. In this case, I don't think that's what's going to happen, considering all of the fundamentals and the news we're talking about in the cryptocurrency market. Instead, what I think we're seeing is one of the first major highs on RSI that we saw at the beginning, middle, and end of the 2017 bull market. We saw RSI on Ethereum over US dollars daily chart go up to 90 a plethora of times, as many as 8 depending on how you count them. I think this may be the start of Ethereum's RSI trending around 70 to 90 as we saw during the last bull market. Something similar can be seen on the MACD. Look at the MACD down here. We're sitting at about 100 on MACD. The only other time we've ever seen that in the history of Ethereum was at its previous all-time high figure. And another thing to consider, look at Ethereum over BTC. Ethereum over BTC actually isn't even really in an uptrend. Ethereum over Bitcoin is more or less trading sideways, but I think that's going to end relatively soon. Why? Well, we've talked about the fundamental reasons why, but in this case, I think because we just hit this massive support level around 0.025 Bitcoin. Notice here over the last several days, we've had a gigantic rally against Bitcoin on this comparative. We rallied 50% in a day. And guys, I haven't even talked about all the news going on with Ethereum. If you would like, I can do more videos breaking down other fundamental and news-related reasons that I believe Ethereum is about to double its price from where it is right now in the near-term future. I love Ethereum, and I'm very happy that I'm sitting on a massive pile of it because it is seeing substantial gains. If there's one thing you take away from this video, I want to encourage you to study the fundamentals on Ethereum. I want you to study what's going on in its development with decentralized finance projects, with decentralized applications, with the updating of the protocol, with all of these developments going on Ethereum. I think Ethereum is very quickly going to become a massive cryptocurrency. It is undervalued right now. That's my opinion, but I think it's a well-substantiated one. I would love to hear your opinions in the comment section down below. Anyway, guys, there you go. You have my price prediction, $2,894 in the next 45 days. In 45 days, we'll come back, and if I remember, remind me, then we will talk about that then. Guys, that is going to wrap it out for today's video. Before I go, though, I do want to remind you the most important thing when trading and investing in cryptocurrency markets is to invest in yourself. You have to be investing in your education, in your experience, in your wisdom, in the tools you use. You need to be investing in yourself and growing yourself because at the end of the day, you're the one making the trades. You're the one making the investments. You're the one picking the coins to invest your time and your money into. So you must first, before investing in those things, invest in yourself. And that's why we founded the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. Guys, nearly 3,000 students have gone through CT2A in the last 2.5 years that it has been active. And in that time, despite us having a full 14-day money-back refund guarantee, we see less than a 1% refund rate month after month, quarter after quarter. People love this academy. Why do they? Because it actually provides value. This actually helps you to become a better trader and investor. This actually gives you information that you need to know to better be able to read cryptocurrency markets, to better be able to trade in those markets. This is not snake oil. These are fundamentals of cryptocurrency. These are the advanced fundamentals of cryptocurrency as well. These are things you can apply to your trading and your technical analysis and your investment and your research process today. Guys, we have hundreds, thousands of testimonies from our students telling us how much they have enjoyed the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy, the difference it has made in their trading, and I would love for you to join that and get that experience. You really have nothing to lose considering there's a full 14-day money-back refund guarantee and considering there's a coupon code active right now, New Year's 2021. That sale does end today, though, so if you'd like $75 off on the Academy, I would encourage you to check us out at the link in the description down below. Give us a try. If you don't like us, use that refund policy, but I don't think you're going to, considering no one really ever does. Guys, before we go, I do just want to say that I'm very thankful for all of the new subscribers that we've had this month. Welcome if you are new here. Welcome to the Crypto Jeb channel. Thank you so much for spending your time here. I hope we're able to provide you value. If you have any ideas for future videos, let us know, but guys, I really do. I just want to say thank you again for all of the support you guys have given us. It's really awesome. Myself and my team are so very thankful. I love my heart gets warm whenever I read comments of you guys that are succeeding in cryptocurrency. You're making a difference in your own life. You're able to help your friends and your family and your communities and your churches and everyone around you because of what you're doing in cryptocurrency. I encourage you that these are good times. Eventually, we're going to have bad times in Bitcoin again. We don't know when it's going to happen, but there are going to be bear markets in the future. But just remember that we are doing this for a reason. And the reason, for me anyway, is not just to make a boatload of money. It's to make that money so that I'm able to help the people around me. If you would like to join me on that journey, hit the subscribe button. Consider giving us a like. It helps us in the YouTube algorithm. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap it out for today's video. Before I go, though, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.